I want to show you how we took Ben's agency, which was doing zero per month, to $15,000. When Ben came to us, he had gone out and he created some packages, and he was trying to onboard some cosmetic dentists to become part of his SMMA agency. And he was trying to do it via cold calling, and he was not getting anywhere. He had a monthly turnover of zero, and his staff count was one, which was himself. What we did was we showed him how to generate clients via Facebook and PPC. We also changed over his agency into a lead generation agency. So he was selling lead gen services and not really SMMA. We showed him how to create new packages which were lead generation based. And we showed him how to acquire the companies using opt-in to webinar to free consultation. And the free consultation is where he will sell to them. We helped him create the story, and we used a concept called the Hero Story webinar. We then showed him how to build out the email sales funnel, and we taught him how to write a proposal document, which is very, very vital. And we also showed him what we call our free consultation blueprint. Now, these are the results, which is what you really want to see. Due to him using inbound as opposed to cold calling, he started generating leads at $5 per go, and it was about 1 in 5 of the leads would then come over and become a full-term client. The typical first sale was about $500, and they would then go on to a rebilling system after that. And we got him after it did take us about 6 months, but we got him up to $15,000 per month income. And now he has 2 staff. What he has is a virtual assistant, which is $1,500, and we've got a media buyer for $2,500. Both of these are actually in the Ukraine. What we've also got him now doing, and this is why we actually got the virtual assistant in, is we've got him pitching. The virtual assistant is pitching on Upwork and People Per Hour and handling a lot of the setting work. If this is something that is interested to you and you want to check out our agency blueprint, then just have a look in the description. It'd be great to get you on board.